Hi friends, Belinda from Bee Making Joy here. I want to show you how to do the 3 needle bind off. First we want to make sure that we work the left and right of the front evenly. The stitches were all decreased nicely. Everything lines up, front and back lines up. Our shoulders meet at the right place, have the same number of stitches. The front and the back each have the same number of stitches, and our needle points are facing the same direction. We have our yarn ready to bind off. However, we don't want our seam on the right side. We want our seam to be on the wrong side of the material. So we need to turn it inside out. Then we want to hold our fabric, put our fabric in our left hand with our needle tips facing to the right. We need a third needle, the same size if possible, or very similar. And what we will do is insert front to back in the first stitch of both needles. Knit those 2 stitches together and take the old ones off the needle. And then the next 2 stitches, both needles, knit them together, take them off the left needle. Now we need to bind off by pulling the first stitch over the second stitch. And we carry on in the same manner all the way across the shoulder, knitting front and back stitches together and binding off the previous stitch. I might seem a little awkward doing this because I'm used to doing it in my lap, but making these videos for you is fun. I do find that when I get to the last stitch, I have to watch I'm not dropping them. Then when we get to the last stitch, we cut the yarn, pull it through that last loop to fasten it off. And now you see we've got a seam across the inside of the shoulder, but the outside of the shoulder is nice and neat and smooth. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button. And until next time, happy knitting!